Welcome everybody to Gus Brown Buick GMC in Port Perry. Check out your new truck. This is a 2022 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT Crew Cab. This intro took me 4 different attempts because there's so much to say when introducing this truck. It is just absolutely jammed. This is a fantastic find at Gus Brown for 2 reasons. A, it's a Trail Boss. It's got everything. It's the LT model. And B, I mean, Trail Bosses are extremely expensive when they're new. This is a fantastic pre-owned find, and it is here ready, waiting for its next new owner. We're going to take you on a tour of the exterior and interior condition, as well as some of the great features on this Silverado, so you know exactly what you're getting if you pick it up from us here at Gus Brown. All right, this is a lot of truck. Let's start with what's underneath the hood. We have a 5.3 liter V8 engine connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission. It's 4x4, it's the Trail Boss, it's lifted, it's skid plates, it's suspension. We'll get into all that. It is able to tow 9,200 pounds. This does have the trailer tow package. I'll show what that is all about when we get inside the cabin. Now, the Trail Boss features the Z71 package, which means you get a 2-inch factory lift kit. You get these exclusive alloy wheels with Toyo tires. So it's an all-terrain tire. They're not going to be super loud on the highway, but they'll definitely handle and grip around in some mud when you need to. Have a look at the beefed up suspension. There's skid plates underneath the truck as well. So if you do want to take this beautiful truck off-road, go ahead and do it. It will definitely handle the terrain. Now you can see from this large side profile, it is the full crew cab, good size box on the back as well. As we're doing this tour, I'll point out dings, dents, scratches if we find any. Now, beautiful Z71 badge in the front. LED turn signals in the side view mirrors. We've got these nice step boards here to help the little ones in the back get in. 1 or 2 little marks here. I mean, not a big deal. Little one here from opening up the door. Little one here, it's probably just a rock chip. Who cares? Not a big deal, right? Coming around the back, we've got the Trail Boss logo right there. And then around to the back here, we've got the nice tailgates, blacked out Silverado logo. We have the step bumper back here, dual exhaust, tow hitch receiver. All right, we've got the wiring harness already connected, rear sonar, rear view camera. Now, the tailgate does have a dent right here. The tailgate's got a few little scratches on it. It's been used, all right? But here's the best part. Here's what I love about this. Some of you may be buying this truck, but you don't need a truck, right? You buy it because it looks great. I mean, I don't blame you. I'm thinking the same thing. But you don't want to be, a poser. Well, not worry, because this has been used as a truck before. So it has that appearance like, oh, okay, we use this for truck stuff. Yeah, absolutely we did. Wow, look at this. Spray in bed liner. It needs a good cleaning back here. There's absolutely no doubt about that. We have the multi-purpose tailgate in the back, so that folds down. And then we have this one here. It is a dampened tailgate, so it doesn't slam down. It's one hand up. It's nice and simple. We've got a 400-watt power outlet back here. This is enough to power up almost anything you can think of, so it's great for the workplace. It's great for the job site. It's great for the cottage or tailgating, whatever you're using it for. We've got this handy little handle. This folds up, so if you need help getting in the back of the truck, I mean, use that. Why not? This little tailgate here can also flip down again, so that way you can reach stuff in the back of the truck with the tailgate down. I mean, it's really, really well designed. Again, one hand up, nice and simple. This, if we can live with this, a little paintless dent repair here, we'll pull that out, no problem. A buff up, a couple touch-up things, it's going to be beautiful, absolutely beautiful, okay? So don't let that deter you at all. It's a weekend project, really easy. Coming around this side here, again, looking for big digs, dents, scratches. One little scratch here. Is that a scratch or is that goo? Hard to tell if that's scratch or goo. I think it's a scratch, but again, super minor. A buff and polish here will do yourself good with your new truck in the driveway on the weekend. Coming around to the front, look at the headlights. They're absolutely gorgeous headlights. LED headlights, LED daytime running lights. Now, I'm going to get this started because we do have the remote starter. Listen to this. All right, sounds great. Black Chevy bow tie at the front. We've got the red tow recovery hooks on the front, so that way If you want to be a good Samaritan, you get people out of the ditch, you can do that with LED fog lights down the below. I was hoping they'd turn on, but they didn't. That's okay. Z71 badge, and then check out this hood. I mean, this is a gnarly, gnarly looking hood. Looks big, looks tough, because that's what this is. It's a Trail Boss. Now, let's go have a look in the back seats. In the back, there's absolutely tons of room for adults back here. No problem. Like, there's a lot of room back here. You can see how much leg room we've got. We've got the nice leather seating in here. Non-smoker vehicle. We have a center armrest that folds down. Cup holders in there. We've even got some storage in the back of the seat right here on both sides, so you can tuck away whatever you'd like there. Couple USB ports back here. Cup holders. We've got the floor liners from the previous owner left in the vehicle as well. These seats fold up. So if you've got the dog bed, want to put the golden retriever down here when you're going on your trip, no problem. You can do that as well. In the front, power sunroof up top. We've got the beautiful leather seating in the front. These are in great, great shape. Power driver seat as well, power lumbar support. Hopping in. It's a big step in that lift kit. All right, now check out the start sequence on here. Look at this massive entertainment system that we've got. Look at this Trail Boss. I mean, it wants you to know you're in something special. And I absolutely love that. Now let's get this going. All right, so sitting up front, we've got the usual suspects for safety features. We've got blind spot warning, forward emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control. They're all here. Ask the sales team for the exact list of the safety features that come with this vehicle. This is specific to each car, but you know, all the regular hitters are going to be here for sure. Leather wrapped steering wheel, heated steering wheel. That button is right here. And then we've got our controls for our beautiful digital driver's display. You might have noticed the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel as well. In the display here, you can see 146,203 kilometers, but it is obviously priced accordingly. It's going to sell fast. I'm promising you that. Digital readout in the front. You can go through a number of different options that you would like to see there. So you can just customize it by using the buttons on the wheel. Down here to our left-hand side, so we have our four-wheel drive selection here. Auto, 4 high, 4 low, two-wheel drive. Then we have our trailer towing mode or our different drive modes here. So we can change those up according to how we want to drive that day. We've got our automatic headlights, our fog lights, our truck bed lighting is all available there as well. When we scroll over here, take a look down our infotainment system and our center console. Really nicely laid out. Huge armrest, absolutely massive armrest. All right, now because it's a Trail Boss, you get this upgraded infotainment system. It's a massive screen, it's touchscreen, Sirius satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's also kind of like a dual screen system here. You can see on the right-hand side, we've got some different information that can be displayed. We do have Google Maps available. That's by subscription. We have, let's go to our trailering mode. So this is a really, really fantastic system that Chevy and GM kind of invented. You can basically input your trailer specs, and then it will do a lot of the work for you with regards to, your camera system. It's got a handy checklist. I love having a checklist on board simply because I've made the mistake once of pulling away with my trailer still connected. That was a costly mistake and an embarrassing one, to be honest with you. I don't tell much. What are you going to do? The camera system in this, I'll show you that in just a moment. Here's our audio system. So, I mean, a really, really fantastic system here. You can see everything that you can kind of flip through. We do also have downloadable apps, Podcast News, Spotify, Alexa you see here. And then we have the My Chevy app. So that is an app you download on your phone and that connects your phone to the car, and you can do a bunch of great things with that as well. Now, when we put this in reverse, let's kind of explore this camera system that was really designed for towing. So this is our rear view camera right here. Pushing this gives us the camera in the front. You'll see this beautiful Camaro. Look at this. That's a nice one, eh? This beautiful Camaro in our front camera system. Now we can also do the top down view. So parking this, even though it's a big truck, really, really very easy with this. We've got our side view cameras for parallel parking. And then here is the one that I'm going to say is my favorite. This one right here. So this is looking straight at the back with the trailer hitch. This is fantastic because we don't have to have a domestic in the front yard when we're trying to line up and hook up to the trailer. You don't need the wife or the husband out back yelling and screaming, left, no, my left, all that. I mean, we know how it goes. This is perfect. You can line this up and do it all in one shot and look like a pro. Couple little toggles for our safety switches, things like that. Our power tailgate, our rear window as well. Dual zone climate control. We've got heated seats in the front for the front driver and front passenger. We've got our trailer brake controller, great location for that, our push button start, and then tons and tons of storage, as you can see here. Not to mention, we've got a wireless phone charger, another power outlet, and some more USB ports on top of all of the storage that we've got in the center armrest. Now, because I almost always forget, this does have the Bose stereo system included, so you've got great audio on top of the fact you've got this fantastic infotainment system as well. Here is our Carfax 22 Chevrolet Silverado LT Trail Boss. I tried repeating that and doing this intro. I'm not kidding, like 6 times. I couldn't get it all out. No accidents. We've got service records on the Carfax available as well for you to review. But most importantly, it's time now to book your appointment to come down and take this Silverado out for a drive. It is an absolute beast of a machine. It's black on black, and it has got a presence. This is the one you want. It's the one you've been dreaming of, and it is here at Gus Brown Buick GMC in Port Perry. Come and visit us today. Get behind the wheel of your new Silverado. You really, really won't regret it. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you at Gus Brown.